Isaac Newton is the most influential scientist in world history. He invented modern physics, first discovered the law of gravity, and laid the scientific foundation for the Industrial Revolution. Nelson and Wellington's leadership saved Britain from invasion and saved Europe from Napoleon's tyranny. Florence Nightingale invented modern nursing. Charles Darwin first developed the theory of evolution, revolutionizing our understanding of human history. James Maxwell first wrote the equations that describe electricity, magnetism, and light. Emmeline Pankhurst won women the right to vote. Churchill's leadership saved Britain, Europe, and the world from Nazism. Nye Bevan created the NHS. Alan Turing helped break the Nazis' secret codes, which shortened World War II. His work on modern digital computers is the basis for the information revolution. These British heroes changed the world. Don't believe those who talk Britain down, who say we're too weak to control our own affairs. Let's take control.